Welcome to my channel The Entertainment Park. Today we are going to discuss about the trailer of Dil Bechara. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get the notification for the upcoming videos. Please like the video so I can get motivation to entertain you with some more good videos. Recently, Sushant Singh Rajput, this name has engrossed in our mind and heart. We feel emotional and painful both at the same time while we read about him on the social media or watch his movies. Most of us know the story of the movie Dil Bechara, still we are watching the trailer, rewatching it, trying to find the trailer review, and the simple reason behind this is Sushant Singh Rajput. His unfortunate demise has left us puzzled and we are deeply saddened. Dil Bechara is the last movie of Sushant. We wanted it to be released in cinema halls, but unfortunately it is releasing on Disney Hotstar. However, we loved his acting, we still do, and whatever the platform this movie gets, we are here to watch it. The movie is about a girl, Kizzy Basu, and a boy, Emmanuel Rajkumar, in short Manny. Kizzy has cancer and Manny is fighting with osteosarcoma. Both know that their life is very short. In this short life story, they make their unique love story. The trailer starts with Kizzy's voice. Once upon a time, there was a prince and princess, both died and end of the story. Story starts with death, but the trailer is full of life. Kizzy is kind of calm and sad, and Manny is opposite to her, full of energy and fun. They meet each other and fall in love. But cancer doesn't like love and happiness. Kizzy's condition becomes more serious. She wants to go to Paris before death comes. Manny and Kizzy go to Paris and spend some beautiful moments. While I was watching the trailer, I couldn't believe that Sushant is actually no more. Such an awesome actor has left us too soon. His expression throughout the trailer was giving us the flow of energy and positivity. There are many scenes in the trailer which I personally liked, especially the last one. Some awesome dialogues we get in the trailer through Sushant's character, like मैं सीरियल किलर तुम सीरियल किसर, क्या जोड़ी है। एक था राजा एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गई खत्म कहानी, पर ये कहानी अधूरी है, इसे पूरा वो राजा वो रानी करता है। जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है, हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, पर कैसे जीना है वो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। Sanjana Sanghi is opposite to Sushant Singh Rajput, playing Kizzy. As a lead actress, Sanjana Sanghi's debut film is Dil Bechara. Previously, we saw her as a child artist in Rockstar, an English medium, and Fukre in small roles. Her appearance in the trailer of Dil Bechara is admirable. Now we have to wait to see her full performance till releasing the movie. In the trailer, we get a glimpse of Shashwat Chatterjee and Swastika Mukherjee as Kizzy's parents. Previously, Shashwat played Bob Biswas in Kahani and Swastika worked with Sushant Singh Rajput in Vyomkesh Bakshi. Saif Ali Khan is in the movie, but there is no glimpse of him in the trailer. Dil Bechara is based on The Fault in Our Stars, a novel written by John Green, and officially bought it from the filmmaker of the Hollywood movie in the same title, The Fault in Our Stars. Mukesh Chhabra is the director of the movie. He was very close to Sushant for many years. The movie is produced by Foxstar Studios. The music is by A.R. Rahman and lyrics by Amitabh Bhattacharya. Hope the fusion of their music will be super hit and make Sushant's last movie memorable. It's going to be released on 24 July on Disney Hotstar. The movie was previously named Kizzy or Manny. Finally, it was changed to Dil Bechara in February 19. Now wait till 24th July and watch it and make it super hit. It will be available in Disney and Hotstar to all subscribers and non-subscribers. Some days back, there was an event where the popular actors of 7 movies which are going to be released in Disney Hotstar were called, but there was no one invited from the movie Dil Bechara. So this incident proves that whatever we want or pray, Bollywood is not going to change. So please watch this movie and make it immensely successful and pay tribute to his soul. He will remain in our heart forever through his charismatic performance.